Hello. In this video I'm going to explain about how to naturally reduce down gas, bloating, and flatulence. It's not a pretty subject, but it's important to understand why we have gas and bloating. And of course there can be many causes. Poor food combining probably being number one. Combining fruit with your food. If you have fruit after a meal, like in dessert, then this will sit on top of your undigested meal in your stomach, and then as it goes through the small intestines and the colon, it will ferment, and this fermentation process creates gas, and this stinky gas, by the way. So poor food combining, there's many bad food combining combinations that will create indigestion and poor digestion and ultimately gas and bloating. Just weak digestion, not having much appetite, not having much digestive fire, not having enough acid in the stomach to digest your food, and incomplete digestion will also contribute to this type of gas and abdominal discomfort. Having too much cold food, cold drinks, cold juices, this will also contribute to more gas. The digestive system needs to be warmed, and having cold foods makes it function not as well, and when it doesn't function as well, then we get these signs of gas, abdominal discomfort, abdominal distension, or bloating. Also, excess fermented foods. Fermented foods are very popular now, but if you have too much of them, then this can also create type of gas and bloating. I always like to compare with a car. If we see a car going down the road and there's a lot of smoke coming out the back, well, the car's running, but it's not running very well. We know there's a problem in there, and that's the same with the gas and bloating. So if you have a lot of gas and you're functioning, but the digestion is not running well, so it's something you want to really look into. So I want to give you a few guidelines for improving this condition. And easiest is having ginger tea, sipping hot ginger tea during the meal and after the meal. Another good one is get cumin, fennel, and ajwain, and instead of ajwain you can use celery seed. Get equal amounts, cumin, fennel, and ajwain or celery seed, and dry roast them in a frying pan, and then grind them up into a powder, and then just chew some of this after a meal. Even just ajwain by itself can work. Cumin all by itself can also work, but the combination of cumin, fennel, and ajwain together, or celery seed, works the best, and you actually just chew it right after meals. Cooking with more cumin helps. This is why a lot of South American dishes, they use cumin with the beans just as to avoid the gas and bloating. And in Indian cooking they use an herb called hing, which also helps with gas and bloating, which is related to garlic. So using the right spices in your food can help tremendously in avoiding gas, particularly with gas-producing foods like legumes. And then second, you could take charcoal. A little charcoal with some water may settle the digestive system enough that you could relieve yourself from gas right away. I have a tea here called Happy Belly Tea, and it's very simple. It's just peppermint with cumin, coriander, fennel, and ginger. I think I put a little yarrow in there for your digestion, and this works very well. So you could basically take peppermint with cumin, coriander, and fennel and make a tea out of it and have this after your meal, and this is very effective. But you really should look into your whole digestion and understand why you have this gas and bloating, because you really want to go and resolve the cause. But these methods that I gave you here are to give you comfort and relief, and of course make you more pleasant to be around without the gas. So I hope that helped you improve your condition, and if you need help with your improving your digestion and overall health, don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you very much.